If you're feeling worried or anxious about something in your life, good thing to do is to step back and go and sit in the woods and just breathe in, breathe out and relax. Another thing you can do is do some EFT or tapping. Don't know what that is? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you. Before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. This is only a demonstration video. It may help you a lot and the technique is easy to use, but please, if you're having issues, please see a doctor or practitioner. Okay then, EFT is just a simple tapping technique. All you do is tap on various points of the body by saying certain phrases, and it really does relax you very quickly. So think of whatever's on your mind, your worry or your anxiety. Think of it in your head and score it on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the worst. And keep that score in your mind as we go along. What we do then is tap on various points of the body. First one is the karate chop point, 2 fingers, and just copy what I'm saying. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious about this thing, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Top of the head, 5 fingers. This anxiety. Keep thinking about what you're worried about. This anxiety that I'm having. This anxiety. This anxiety and worry that I've got. This anxiety. This anxiety and worry that's in my mind. This anxiety that I have under the arm. This anxiety that's on my mind. Okay then, don't worry if you get the words mixed up a little bit, or if you miss a tapping point, just carry on and copy me. You're probably feeling a bit relaxed now. What's the score then, from 0 to 10? Has it gone down a bit? Hopefully. Anyway, let's try again. Tapping point again, karate chop point. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Top of the head. This anxiety. Above the eye. This anxiety that I'm feeling. Side of the eye. This anxiety that I have underneath the eye. This anxiety that I'm feeling underneath the nose. This anxiety that I'm feeling now underneath of the chin. This anxiety that I want to get rid of. On the collarbone, breathe in. This anxiety that I would like to release under the arm. This anxiety that I would like to release now. You're probably feeling a bit more relaxed now. The score's probably gone down a bit. What is it from the scale of 0 to 10? Let's do it one more time and hopefully you'll get your score down to 0 or 1. Okay, even though I'm still feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm still feeling a bit anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm still feeling some anxiety, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. This anxiety that I still have, this anxiety that I would like to release, this anxiety that I would like to get rid of, this anxiety that I would like to release, this anxiety that I'm going to release, this anxiety that I'm going to release now, this anxiety that I'm going to release now, this anxiety that is going now. Okay then, just keep doing that until the scores are 0 or 1. What I like to do near the end of a session is install some positivity. So just the same thing, but different words. I'm now feeling more relaxed and life is great. I'm now feeling more relaxed and life is better. I'm now feeling more relaxed. My anxiety and worries are gone. Feeling more relaxed. I feel more relaxed. So much more relaxed and happy. Worry free now. I feel great. So more relaxed. Anxiety free. Feeling great. I I feel so good now. I feel great. That's just a simple technique. In the woods, I'm freezing cold, my hands are cold, my head's cold, but maybe someone might find it useful. Okay, if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great.